Mary, you have the most unique open house contraption of any kind I've ever heard or seen anywhere. I still need to go visit to see it in person.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What is this thing I'm alluding to that differentiates you at an open house?
Well, I wish I had a picture of it, but we converted a vintage 1974 Airstream trailer into a mobile office. And it's logoed, it's wrapped, and so we do Airstream parties at our open houses or as Meet Your Neighbor. But we gutted this Airstream, and it has a table and couches and beer fridges and kegerators and all kinds of stuff in it. But our agents can literally sit on their laptops and write offers on site. But just remember to be different. That gets a lot of attention, and people are like, oh yeah, I saw your Airstream in the town center, or oh yeah, I saw your Airstream parked, in front of this house. But to be different, there are two opportunities in the sales cycle when you have more information than the consumer, and more information than they can get in big data. And that's when your property is coming soon, and that's when your property enters escrow. So really think about your sales cycle and how you are communicating during those two opportunities. We also, on top of what Kyle is doing, we also leverage our CRM database when we have a property coming soon, inviting the 3,000 people if it's a fit for them, and leveraging that database. Also, we incorporated Sly Broadcast to drop our, hey, this is Mary from Hometown Realty. Don't know if you saw, we listed your neighbor's house at 123 Banana Street. We're having an open house this weekend. We'd love for you to come and take a look. Let us know what you think of the pricing. 21% of homes sell by word of mouth, so we would love for you to help us spread the word and pick your next neighbor.
It's awesome.